Hey guys, and in today's video, let's compare the battery of the GoPro Hero 9 Black versus Hero 7 and Hero 8. So in this video, I'm going to do 3 tests. The first one gonna be with the maximum settings, so that's gonna be 5K 30 for Hero 9 and 4K 60 for the Hero 7 and 8. And then I'm gonna do a second test with the 2.7K 60 frames per second. And the third test gonna be 1080 60 frames per second. So let's check the battery percentage and notice that Hero 7 has around 24% of battery life. And now let's take a look at the Hero 8 and notice that it has around 35% of battery life. And now let's take a look at the Hero 9, and Hero 9 has around 38% of battery life. So GoPro Hero 8 Black has around 26% battery life, and GoPro Hero 7 Black has around 3% battery life, and GoPro Hero 9 Black has around 28% battery life. Alright, so let's take a look at the Hero 7 Black. It has 2% of battery life. Hero 8 Black doesn't respond, so it's completely dead. There's no response from the camera. So let's take a look at the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And as you guys see, it has around 6% of battery life. Alright guys, so let's summarize it all. Hero 9 Black, it's a beast. It outperformed all of the cameras. It always lasted for like at least 20 minutes longer. Depends on the settings, of course. I think the battery is a huge difference over the previous generations. I no longer think that I'm gonna need that many batteries with me as before. I think I'm gonna stick to just 2, maximum 3. And I think that's gonna be plenty for the rest of the day for me. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always guys, see you in the next one. And by the way, if you have an idea or perhaps you would like me to do something, make some comparison or review, don't hesitate and reach out to me on my Instagram. and ask a question. Once again, guys, see you in the next one.